Both Champa and Chandni were sitting on the bush. At a short distance, a man was extracting honey.
Look at him, he is extracting honey. How delicious it will be.
I have not eaten honey. I am afraid of these bees. They will bite.
I have never tasted either. I want to eat honey.
I also want to eat. But how? So many flies bite us there.
I have an idea. The bees won't bite us and we'll get honey.
How it is possible?
A man put honey in box and started living there.
Come with me.
Champa took fork and bit man's hand. The man was hurt. He shook his hand because of pain. The box of honey fell down and opened. Then he closed the box and went from there. A little honey fell from the box on the ground.
Champa, you are so smart.
I don't need your compliments. If you want to eat honey, you should cook lunch for me.
Hey, you didn't say that first.
If I had not done this with my cleverness, you would never have been able to eat honey. I am asking a gift of my intelligence.
Okay, I will cook.
Then both started eating honey. Then a crow came there.
Wow, this is honey. I will never had it. I will eat it too.
This is my honey. I will not give it to you.
Please give me some. I also want to taste it. I hear it's very tasty.
Yes, it's too sweet. You can also taste it.
I have earned this with my idea. I will not give it to anyone. I will take it home, eat little by little every day. Eat it myself. I will not give it to anyone.
The honey was very sweet. They liked it very much. They were so engrossed in eating honey. They didn't see that their feet, wings got stuck in honey.
Champa, we are stuck. We can't fly.
We are stuck? Oh no!
Kallu was there watching the whole drama.
Kallu bro, we are stuck. Get us out of here.
Why should I help you when you didn't even give me a little honey? You stay here. Some animal will come, taste your honey and eat you too.
I'm sorry, Kallu. Please help us. I became arrogant. You can also taste it.
Kallu, don't taste it now. You will be stuck it too. First you bring a big leaf and stick. Put this honey in that leaf. Eat comfortably later.
Then, with the help of a stick, Kallu poured all the honey into a large leaf and brought water to this place and threw water there. The honey on them came out of the water. 3 shared the honey among themselves.
Go home and eat it with a spoon. Otherwise, you will be taking bath again.
By laughing, they went to their homes.